Alright guys, 2006 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder, how to do oil change. So we're under the car, right? Once you're under the car, if you're looking at right here, this is the oil pan right here, and this is the drain plug right here. This is number 14. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this 14 and we're gonna let all the oil come out. So you take it from 14, loosen that bolt. Make sure you have a bucket or a drain pan to catch the oil into. And after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take out that drain bolt. Once that drain bolt is out, you can inspect the washer and everything on it. And there's the oil coming out. We're gonna give this oil a good 10 minutes to drain out. Alright, and if you go across here, there's the oil filter right there. We're gonna change that too. Alright, but we're gonna give this a good 10 minutes to come down. Alright guys, the oil is straight draining, but we can proceed to remove the oil filter, which is right next to it. You're gonna need a filter wrench, and this has oil in it, so be careful. Make sure you have your bucket underneath. Alright, while this oil is draining over here. Alright, so this filter has oil in it, so be careful. Just make sure you have a bucket. There you go, that's the filter. And this is the new filter right here. The number on this one is, if you're using pure letter, 4477. That's the number. When you remove the old filter, make sure this O-ring right here comes out. So if I look down there with the light, there should be no ring up there. So there's nothing up there. Alright, so that's good. Let me just double check. Alright, it's good, no ring. What we're gonna do is, you're gonna put a little bit of oil on the O-ring of a new filter, just like that. The reason is, if you don't, the gasket might grip itself onto the housing, and it might just rip apart. Alright, the oil is still draining. We'll give that in a few more minutes, but at least we have the filter in there. Let me take my light back here so you can see where the filter is going. There's the filter. Nice and hand tight. Alright, so we have the filter in there. The oil stopped dripping. Alright, so the oil finished out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the drainer back in. You take your number 14, make sure you have the little washer on the drain plug. And you're gonna hand catch all the threads. After that, you take number 14 and you're gonna tighten that. And make sure you wipe off this extra oil. It has a little extra oil on there. We'll wipe all that off. And then we'll bring the car down and we'll put oil in this car. Alright guys, so we're ready to put oil in this car. So this is the little cap you're gonna remove right here. And on this cap, you're not gonna see it. It says 5W30. Customer requested he wants synthetic. So we're gonna put 5W30 synthetic oil. This car takes 4.5 quarts of oil. So we're gonna put 4.5 quarts through that hole right there. So we'll take funnel, we'll put the funnel there, and we'll put on the oil, right? So we have 4.5 quarts. This one is half right here. Alright, so he's gonna put the oil in and we'll come back when it's almost done and we'll close up the cap. Alright guys, he's almost done. This is the last half a quart. And after that, we're gonna remove the funnel and we're gonna put the cap on. Make sure you put the cap on. A lot of people forget. I had a mechanic one time who forgot. All the oil came out. And it will leak a vacuum. I had a Volkswagen. check engine light came on because it was sucking in air from there. I'll suck the air from there and through the PCV pipe right there, which will cause lean because the airflow sensor is too far away. Alright, so the funnel is out, and put in your cap, the oil cap, and wipe off the extra oil, and that's it, we're done. Alright guys, 2006 Toyota Camry, how to reset the maintenance light or the oil light. So what we're gonna do is, first you're gonna bring this mileages into odometer, and we're gonna use this button. What we're gonna do is we're gonna press this button, flip the key on, and you're gonna see little dashes there. They're gonna flash. Once they go away, you're all done. All right, so I'm gonna turn my key off. I'm gonna push this down and hold it down, and then I'm gonna put the key on. Okay, my meter changed to AAA. Let me go back to odometer. I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna push this down, and let me get the key in. I got the key in. You see that it's flickering there, and that's it. Once those dashes stop flickering and it comes back to the mileages, you're all done. All right, and that's how you change the oil and reset the light on a 05, 06 Toyota Camry.